Hi everyone, today I will be making black sticky rice cake. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. We have black glutinous rice, shredded coconut, palm sugar, roasted sesame seed, salt, and coconut milk. First, soak 2.5 cup black glutinous rice in water for an overnight. One night later, clean it well and cook it. To cook the black glutinous rice, I use 3 cups of water. While we are waiting for the rice to be cooked, let's shred the coconut. Shredded coconut is done and sticky rice is cooked too. So it's time to make the cake. First, put 1/2 of coconut milk, half teaspoon salt, and then we will put 5.5 ounces of palm sugar. Stir to dissolve it. The palm sugar mixture is boiling, so put the black sticky rice in. Then stir it over medium-low heat until the water dries out. Now the water is completely dried out. Transfer it into the mold. Then you can flatten it. Sticky rice looks soft when it's still hot. But don't worry, when it cools down, the texture will be firmer. Now it's completely cooled down, so cut it into your favorite size. We will serve the black sticky rice by top it with shredded coconut and roasted sesame seeds. That's it for the black sticky rice. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next delicious recipes. Bye!